Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on and observing behavior. Flip the battery and trigger the transmitter to see any response. Once done, remove the body and visually inspect wiring, connector pins, and the receiver for corrosion or obvious breaks. You want to confirm the battery is delivering expected voltage with a multimeter because low voltage mimics motor failure. Make sure to note any rattles or burnt smells. These point to mechanical or electrical damage and guide the next focused fixes. Next, isolate the motor and drivetrain. Disconnect the motor from the ESC and apply battery briefly to the motor terminals to verify rotation and sound. This tells you if the motor is seized or weak. After that, remove the gearbox cover and inspect gears for broken teeth, stripped mesh, or packed debris. Clean and replace worn gears to restore smooth engagement. While you have access, follow wiring from ESC to motor and receiver, resolder cold joints, and secure connectors so intermittent faults disappear. Finish by addressing the electronics. Reset or recalibrate the ESC to re-establish neutral and throttle in points because mismatched calibration causes jitter or non-response. Once done, reassemble the shell, secure wiring, and perform stage tests, first at low speed, then progressively increase to full throttle to confirm reliability. If problems persist, swap the receiver or try a known good transmitter to isolate the fault. This single troubleshooting step quickly differentiates radio issues versus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.